So we probably all want our lashes to look like this. But unfortunately for some of us, especially myself, we are stuck with some short and stubby and straight lashes. So today I want to share my lash routine and my 2 cents on how to give our lashes that long, voluminous look that would last all day. So before we begin, we want to make sure that our lash line is clean of all of the leftover mascaras or eyeliner. We are just going to gently lift up our eyelid and clean with a Q-tip. We also want to make sure our eyelash curler is all clean, and what I like to do is with a piece of tissue paper and just kind of wipe down the area where it will clamp your lashes. So I'm going to use my Shiseido eyelash curler. This one works wonders for me. I've been using this for years now and it doesn't hurt my eyelids when I'm clamping my lashes. So what I like to do is I like to squeeze the clamp multiple times. While I'm clamping my lashes, I would like to work upwards so my eyelash curler is slowly pointing up. I'm gonna give it multiple go. Same drill, we are going to clamp upwards. So my secret weapon is actually the PMEL mascara essence. I think this one works wonders for me. I have tried other American brand eyelash primers, and you really want to get one that doesn't weigh down your lashes, and this one holds your lashes so well. There's no rush to this. We really want to make sure all of these lashes are nicely prepped for mascara. Can you guys see? I haven't curled this side yet, and this side just has primer on, and I already can see that it lengthens a lot even without mascara. I'm using the Kiss Me Long and Curl mascara in Super Waterproof. Love this mascara because it makes your lashes just stay all day long. This mascara, it has a curled tip. I usually apply 2 or 3 coats of this mascara to each eye. Just like how I apply my eyelash primer, I'm really making sure that I'm grabbing onto every single of my lashes, so I'm just taking my time. And I like to apply my mascara when I'm looking down because I don't want any mascara to get on my eyelids. And even if they end up getting on your eyelids, we can just clean them up real quick with some Q-tips. Now that I waited for my mascara to dry a little bit, I'm actually gonna go back in to recurl my lashes, but this time I am not going to clamp them multiple times. I'm only going to clamp it very softly. And then we are going to give our lashes an extra coat of mascara. And I know this is not really part of the mascara routine, but afterwards I like to go in and tightline my eyes to kind of fill in the gaps. So another product that you can use is the eyelash serum. This is what I have is in the Avance brand. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong, but every night before you go to bed, kind of as like your nighttime routine, you can apply a couple layers of this. It will help strengthen and nourish your eyelashes. So that's it for my eyelash routine. I hope you guys found this video somewhat helpful. I hope I contributed to your eyelash routine by giving you some tips to achieve those long, voluminous, and luxurious eyelashes. So I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!